So while I was reading My Heart Can't Even Believe It, one of the things that appealed the most to me was Amy Silverman and how she was raising this family and how much she impacted her family in a positive way. And I couldn't happen to but to relate it to my family life and how if this was a situation in our family, how would we be dealing with it? And I um, couldn't think of it in a positive way, which led to my topic. And it basically is the impacts of Asian Indian ethnicity on individuals with intellectual developmental disabilities. And I would say that the Asian Indian ethnic group does have a negative impact on people with any type of disability. So the two intellectual developmental disabilities I talk about is autism and Down syndrome. Those are the two main focuses in my research. There are millions, not millions. There's like 10. Um,